Hello, I have an AliExpress and it's mostly a temu haul. So Victor's here to help me. Hey, Victor. And Mr. Richards is here.
Hey.
So this is, these were like $3, $4 shipped, which is pretty cool. He likes them, but he can't have them because there's plastic eyeballs and a plastic beak. These are knockoffs of the cool upset duck. I don't know if Takara makes these or who, but these are more expensive than these. But this is their knockoff, which I wanted to see because they're kind of cool. They were so cheap. I didn't know if I was getting like just a duck or just an outfit or what I was getting. So I ordered just a plain one, and then this one, I thought I was getting just an outfit, but I got a duck and an outfit. So, you know, it's not real clear on those sides. Oh, this is a nice white one. Oh, he's really cute. Look at rosy cheeks. So these are like $4 a piece, I think. Oh, he's got glasses? Oh my gosh, he's got glasses. Oh, nice. Oh, he's got a sweater. Something written on it there. Can you read that? Can you read it?
No.
It's Ada G. Good Lord. Something happiness every. Wish happiness every time and pleasure.
Great.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. I'm with it. Let's get it on her. Oh, this is really cute. You know, that's pretty good. Oh, it's a knit sweater. I wonder if this sweater would fit Victor. Oh, he looks.
Yeah.
Well, no, you didn't just say that. He gets so mad at me when I dress him.
He gets so depressed.
He does.
And it takes him a day to get over it.
Yeah. And then he wants me to give the
Sweater.
the sweater, he wants me to give it to him, and then he's carrying his little red sweater around the house. He's that mad. This is cute. Oh, look. This is wired. What does this say? Cool Enough Studio. Wow. I guess they're cool enough. Okay, let's get this on you. Oh, these are cute. These would be cute for Easter. Oh, my gosh. Look at that. And there's glasses. Wow. All right. Apparently this is a vision impaired duck. Let's get your glasses on. These would be cute with Labubu. Labubu's kind of the star of the show around here. Look at that, would ya? Now he needs an outfit. I'll have to order him an outfit. Oh, these are so cute. Very, very cute. Yeah, AliExpress. Well, this is the top thing. God, these are darling. Okay, I get it. And they're much bigger than... This is cute, too. Look at his face. Okay, I get it. So, this is my Temu haul. I think some of it was affiliate. I don't remember. This is a this is a birthday card. It says, even after 12 double vodkas, she was able to retain her usual ladylike dignity, poise, and elegance.
Yeah.
Nice, huh? Let's see here. There we go. Very nice. I like their cards. They're very fun. And Megan's birthday's coming up. Now, I ordered some hair things, but these are way wrong color. I'm not even taking that out. They can have this back. This is not a blonde. It's a hair thing. Here's another one. Because I had these like little clip-in bangs because I divorced my bangs. But sometimes I want bangs. So I had some little clip-in bangs that I can't find them. I don't know, does that look right?
Seems dark.
It's
but-
too dark too. Maybe it would, it's kind of Victor colored.
Mhm.
These are too dark. Let me look.
Is that something where it looks like the right color and then you order it?
Well, yeah, I wouldn't order it if I
Yeah.
saw it look like this. Dig nabbit. Yeah, this is just not the right color, but these are cute. Yeah, no way. Lord. Okay, these are going back to Temu. Darn it. But the card is cool, so all I'm keeping is the card. And this one, what's this? I think this one. I don't remember what I ordered. This is, oh, these are some track pants that I ordered. I wanted some black track pants that have the white stripes. These are trending right now. They're so hard to find. So I thought I'd try these. But these look,
Those seem
these
weird.
look okay. They're kind of weird stripes though.
Yeah.
I don't know. These might be weird. Oh, these were. I don't know. These are funny. You never know what's going to show up. It's always a surprise with Temu. And I ordered some other ones that are more like. These are more like it. See, these are the kind I wanted with the stripes on the side. Let's see. Let's look. They got a drawstring. Oh, these
More
look okay.
normal,
Yeah, these ones look okay. These are just like knit. They're not real heavy. The material doesn't seem too bad. I mean, I can always use them for pajamas. Yeah, these are cool. I don't like pajamas that are fleecy or fuzzy because then you feel like you're velcroed in your bed. I want something that's smoother so I can move because I tend to get pinned down by a chihuahua. So I can barely move. What's this? Oh, these are, what's this? Oh, these are for space planes. Because my other space planes are getting janky. I hope these are the right color. Yeah, these look. I don't know. These look kind of. These hairnets. I used to do doll stuff back in the day. And these hairnets used to come on the wigs and drive us just crazy. I don't know.
Let's see. I don't know.
Is that?
That's not too bad.
Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, these ones are good. The space bun ones are good, except for the creepy hair. Yeah, these are okay. See, I can't tell by the color. Okay, these are okay. Yeah, and then I got a cute snake chain. These were really cheap, like $1.39. But I like this checker. It's so snaky. This checker pattern on a snake chain. I thought was sort of nifty. Here, there you go. Oh, that's kind of nice. Yeah, that's not bad. And this bracelet, I needed something so I could get free shipping, so I got this little 99-cent bracelet. That's got a, or maybe that's a hair thing. Oh, I think it's a hair thing. It's got an alligator on it, but I think I would wear it as a bracelet. Yeah, it's better as a bracelet. I'm not putting this in my hair. It would get stuck. And then I'd have to have Mr. Retro's, it's hard to show.
Cut it out.
It has happened before. My hair's very straight. Easy to get tangled in. Okay, then this bag has some cute stuff in it. They have really good phone cases. And phone, what do you call these covers? I get those tempered glass,
Yeah, glass.
screen protector things. They're really good. You know, the only problem is if, when you drop your phone, because you are gonna drop your phone, they tend to crack, but at least it's the little screen protector, not your thing. Oh, look at that one. It says Cool Labubu. Oh, this is a nice one. It says so cool. It's so cool, folks. Oh, it says Boom. These are nice. Yeah, I got one on my phone right now, but this is the spare. Oh, and I'm having. You know, I have these phones, which I can't show you because I'm using my phone. I was having trouble having I have a memory stick and then I use these charging cables and they didn't seem to be working as well. So I finally figured out, you know, on your phone, you don't have your phone, do you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you on his. I did this with yours too. This charging thing where you plug things in gets stuff in there. It gets like dirt and moisture. So you know those little dental brushes I brought from Temu. So I cleaned these out, both of them on our phones, and now they work great. So now they're charging faster. I can read there it is. I can read my memory stick. Just plugs right in because it wouldn't even load my memory stick. So yay! Who knew?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's just those little dental brushes, little brushy brushes. So that's my story there. What in the world? Oh, these are for your. These are for your hangers, so you can cascade your hangers. I've been using pop tops, but these are plastic ones. So I'm going to try these. These are very inexpensive too. I'm saving. I'm getting ready to send. I'll send some of these to Mindy too, because my friend wanted some of these to cascade her closet. So I'll send some. I will share them, and I saved a bunch of. I have some pop tops from Coke cans that I'll send her too. What is this? Oh, these are the shoes. I got these. I got rid of those other shoes. I didn't like them. These ones were $2. They're distressed. Those are kind of neat. Okay, I gotta try them on though, because you know they look good, and then you try them on, and you go, no. Well, these are kind of cute. Yeah, they're like distressed Chucks.
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is another one of those things where you put it in your cart and eventually it will pop up with a deep discount. So I think they were probably $20 and then I got 90% off, so I got them for like $2 something. That's not true. And I got 2 of them, see?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are kind of neat. Okay.
Oh, look, they're right and left.
They're right and left, yeah. See? Oh no, they're backwards. I'm sending them back. I don't have feet like that. And what else is in here? Oh my. I won't say this word. It's not very nice, but I do like this stuff. I hope it's not backwards. Oh, it's on both sides. Oh, are you reading it backwards or forwards? Okay. It's reading it. There we go. There we go. So it's a new coffee cup.
Nice.
Yeah. Very nice. So that's what I got. I think that's it. So, you got anything, Mr. Retrose?
What you talking about, Willis?
I'm talking about this, what I'm talking about, Willis. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da,